Inkokheli eqotho. Inkokheli eqotho kayigangi, kayigadli, kayigubi, kayiginqi, kayigiqi, kayiqili, kayigebengi, kayigaluli, kayigebhuli, kayigubhi, kayigaxi, kayiqhuqhi. Inkokheli eqotho. Inkokheli emqondi imnqantshalala, kayigongodi, kayigomeli, kayigagasi, kayigamfuni, kayiganqeli, kayiqhaqhazeli, kayiqhaqhazeli, kayigqigqizeli, kayigaqeli, kayiqhugezeli, kayiqhuzuki, kayiqholozi, kayiqothami, kayiqethuke ebhuqwini. Inkokheli eqotho. Eyethu inkokheli yeqiniso, kayiqhobi iqede, kayiqhululi iqede, kayigoqeli ifihle, kayigogosi belambile. Inkokheli yeqiniso. Inkokheli yabantu, kayivusa imqholoha, kayiqhwandi phandle abanye, kayisiqhweba kwabatsha, kayiqhweba inyonkoloze, kayiqheli ngokuginya abanye, kayisiqhalaqhala elinxele, kayisinqhuqhumbo. Inkokheli yamampela ekaZulu, kayiziqhenyi ngeze, kayigqiza imqheleweze, kayigqibeli iqiniso, kayigqoka imabatha, kayigqiba ingaqedanga, kayiqolozela ibani. Inkokheli yamampela. Inkokheli yamaqiniso, kayigoqoza inhlama, kayigola iminenke, kayigabhi ngodaka, kayigadi ihamba, kayiginyi ingakahlafuni, kayigaqele eziko, kayigubuzela ilele, kayigadi imbongolo, kayigiqi ubulongwe, kayigela imatheza, kayigidi isiqakezela. Inkokheli yeqiniso, kayiquthe egumeni, kayiqoqomela kwabanye, kayiqonda igobile, kayiqini ngeqolo, iqina ngengqondo, ingqondo eziqotho. Inkokheli yamampela, inkokheli eqotho.
Monoxide. I'm a viper whose venom vigorously vexes the vast visionless. I slither hither in defense of my freedomistic poetry. Perhaps I am that valve that screws down bolts of violence. I throw words helter-skelter like a bunch of re-energized monkeys to pin down demons of propaganda. I'm monoxide, the corrosive venom from a viper whose hisses loosen the valves of hate. I'm a formula that flummoxed the Monte Carlo method. I stand for the vocal codes that were sabotaged by the corrupt governance systems and personnel. Yes, I am the enemy of chameleon leadership, leaders who exhibit disconcerting propensities of a yo-yo, those whose principles are unstable like popcorns, those whose promises dance zigzag, turnarounds, and inconsistent bump jibes. I neither condone such Iscariotic diplomacy nor condemn repentance. Yes, I am the enemy of chameleon leadership, leaders who exhibit disconcerting propensities of a yo-yo. They called me and asked me a simple question, a complicated answer I gave. They asked me a complex question, a simple response I gave. They complicated the dialogue, I simplified the deliberations. They themselves got confused. Then I was clear-minded. For I am forever not worried about those who worry about worries. It shows they are concerned, committed and involved. I am perennially worried by those who do not worry when worries come by. They are just tragic socio-political accidents waiting to happen. Basop, never again, never alone. I represent over 1 million Monoxide clan, the real rebels, who rumble with razzmatazz, uncontainable soldiers of fortune, those whose democratic reserves accumulate rather than diminish. Back to the trenches to terrorize the tortoises of democracy, whose delaying tactics terrify democratic forces. Back to the tunnel to traumatize the tigers of democracy who believe they have the monopoly over democratic principles. Back to the corridors of power to corrode the cockroaches of democracy who continue to feed on the pieces of cakes, denying the rest their democratic shares. Perhaps for the cockroaches, tigers and tortoises, here comes trouble. Monoxide, never again, never alone, never alone.
Monoxide MP wethu ngithi bengu MP engubhudi engumngane eyimento yazi eyiguidance ezasazi ukuthi singam explainer sithini uDesire Moyo usizwe ubuhlungu kakhulu njengami I represented him ngama election ka MP. Kunzwisa ubuhlungu kakhulu ukulahlekelwa nguDesire. Yazi ungathi ngilahlekelwe ngubaba ongizalayo ngokulahlekelwa ngumoyo. Vuma balanda. Cela uzihambele kahle. Ulale ngokuthula. Indlela yakho ibenhle ngendlela kade uyenza ngakhona esigabeni sakho senkulumana. Indlela yakho la ayivuleke uhambe ngokuthula ulale kahle. Siyakubongela moyo kusayidi. MP wethu ushiya esikhaleni njengokutsho kwakho ukuthi akunyararo lapha. Ngizubuhlungu kakhulu ngoba wafika emsikeni kimi, wabuya emsikeni uhamba lonkosikazi wakho, lafika laqoqa lathi emsikeni. Kuyiviki yokuthi uyasichiya. Uyazi sizubuhlungu, silahlekelwe njengenkulumane, silahlekelwe njengentabeni ngoba wawusinike le mali yokuthi senze iproject. Sesi proud ngawe Desire. Washiya esikhaleni khathesi asisakwazi lokuthi senze njani. Sibuhlungu kakhulu MP wethu, sibuhlungu kakhulu MP. Asilapha sikwanisa ukukhuluma. Okunengi ngidabuke kakhulu sibili, ngidabukile kakhulu. Busithi ungahambele esayidini lentabeni ubungayekela ukudlula ebantwaneni bakho ubabingelela, usibingelela njengentabeni. Ubungayekela ukubuya ubuza abanye khona phana lanxa ungaze ufike ubuza ukuthi mjanga nje abanjani abanye. Namhlanje sisele esikhaleni sesiyasala sibonwa ngubani. Silethemba lokuthi sizathola omunye MP onjengawe. Siyazilala ngokuthula. Hayi angilawo amanye amaningi.